have to say that once I started repeating this specific affirmation, I truly shifted into manifesting more money and at much faster speeds. It was almost like something within me was unlocked and the floodgates of abundance started pouring in like I've never experienced before. It seemed subtle enough when I first started using it, but what happened was this affirmation ended up forming a deep core belief, and then everything in my life and in my reality started to respond. That's really how manifestation works. Everything is reacting and responding to you and what you believe. And in this video, I want to share this affirmation that I've been using. It's one of the most life-changing money affirmations, and it works really quickly to form new core beliefs and allow you to manifest money faster and easier than ever before. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And really quickly, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below if you are ready to manifest money. But I mean, really, go ahead and do it. Like I said, everything is responding and reacting to you. Like I always say, manifestation is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There is no one way to do anything. So I'm going to share this affirmation with you, and you are going to use it in whichever way feels the most connected and authentic to you. And by using it, I mean that you can say it in your mind, you can say it out loud, you can write it over and over again, you can put it on your mirror, like what I talk about in this video. I'll leave a link up here to that. But use this affirmation in whichever way feels best to you. And you'll know that it's right and that it's working because when you say it or when you write it or when you use it, you'll feel connected to it. It will feel like the truth. Does that make sense? So write it or say it or journal on it, exercise and get in your body about it. The options are truly endless and there's no right or wrong way to use this affirmation. Just do whatever it takes for you to fully embody it and believe it deeply. The whole goal of this affirmation is to form a new core belief. So play around and see how you connect. Now let's get into the affirmation. The affirmation is money loves to flow to me. I always have more than I could ever possibly spend. So again, it's money loves to flow to me. I always have more than I could ever possibly spend. But here's the thing. Don't just say these words with emptiness just to say them because I told you to. How can you make this statement real and true and obvious to yourself? I see so many people doing manifesting techniques and affirmations without actually connecting to them. It's not about how many times you say it or write it. You don't get a gold star for overperforming. It's about embodying it over and over and over again until it becomes a core belief, until it becomes very real to you. And then your reality will actually start to reflect that back to you. Do you see what I mean? Your beliefs are forming your reality. Whatever you believe to be true is what occurs in your life, but it's the full belief that makes it occur. If you say an affirmation with no connection and without fully believing it, nothing is going to change just because you said it. I remember with one of my last videos about that sound tone that's said to cause miracles within 24 hours or less. If you missed that video, I'm gonna leave a link up here and a link down below. But I feel like a lot of people missed the whole point that I share at the end of that video. So if you do watch that video, please listen through to the end. And I know that a lot of people didn't finish it till the end because they kept asking where the tone was when I wrote it on the video. So it's written on the video if you don't know where it is. And I also got a lot of messages of people saying that they looped the whole song over and over again and kept listening to it on repeat, nonstop for hours. And that is not the right way to manifest anything. Manifesting is not about doing, it's about shifting. Doing more doesn't mean it will manifest faster. In fact, the more you keep trying and forcing, the more you block yourself because you don't fully trust that you can have it. It's not about what you are doing or how many times you do it. It's about your deep connection to whatever it is that you're doing. It's about the intention behind it. So try not to get too in your head and overanalyze it. Doing that takes you out of the zone and it gives away your power. You know exactly what to do. You are hardwired to manifest and receive the things that you want. So start focusing on those gentle nudges from within, that intuition and guidance within you, those core beliefs that you hold that shape and create your reality. And when you start using this affirmation, use it very intentionally, with full expectation that this is how things get to be for you and this is how life works for you. Money loves to flow to me. I always have more than I could ever possibly spend. Really take a moment to see, what does that feel like to you? What if you knew that no matter what happened, no matter how little you do, no matter what your circumstances may look like, what if money just showed up with ease? What if it didn't matter what your job was? It didn't matter how many hours you got or how things have been in the past. What if money just showed up because it does and because it flows easily for you? What if that's how life gets to be for you? You only limit money based on your core beliefs and expectations around it. And once you understand that, your entire life will change and your mind will just truly be blown. So while you incorporate this affirmation as a core belief, I highly recommend some of the money meditations that I have here on my channel. I mean, you can scroll through the comments and see the results people have from using these meditations. They truly work on a subconscious level. And I actually have a whole money series playlist that's completely free. I will leave a link down below. It has all of my favorite free money trainings and meditations in there. And I'll also leave a link down below to my famous money mindset workbook. It's a free download that tens of thousands of people have gone through with some really amazing and transformative results. So be sure to look at the description box below. You have so many free money tools available to you to really help form this new core belief and change the way you experience and attract money. Here on my channel, I am focused on your results, so be sure to use these free resources. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And for more information about me, my meditations, my programs, and more, you can visit my website, mkmagicmindset.com. And you can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok at mkmagicmindset. I will see you in the next one.